Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free granola. This is a great recipe that you can make your own. You don't really need any set kind of recipe, you just have to follow one specific rule, and that's the 6-to-1 rule. That's 6 parts dry to 1 part wet. And let's just get right into it. So I'm going to start with some gluten-free rolled oats, and in here is 8 cups of oats. I'm going to add some gluten-free Rice Krispies, and I'm going to add some brown sugar. I'm going to add some cinnamon, and that's my dry ingredients. Really easy. At this point, if you want to add nuts or things like that, go for it. That's when you want to add it. Don't add raisins or currants or anything like that until the end, because we're baking it and you don't want to burn them. So I'm just going to mix this all up, and I want to try and get as many of the clumps of brown sugar broken up. What I like about this recipe is you can really control how much sugar and salt and pretty much everything goes into it, so you know exactly what you're eating. Okay, so that looks like it's nicely mixed. Now I'm going to add my fat and my maple syrup. And I find it's about 2/3 to 1/3 for fat to liquid sugar. And you just pour those in. And then you just mix it up. Okay, so I've got that all mixed up. I'm going to put this in a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Okay, there we go. Spread it out. And I'm going to bake this in my oven at 250 degrees for an hour, and I'm going to stir it every 15 minutes. Oh, this granola is done. It's been stirred every 15 minutes, and it's quite nice. It's still a little on the warm side. This is the time where you want to add your raisins and your sweet things like dehydrated fruit and mix it all in. I like mine just plain as it is, and it looks good. So I'm going to just get a couple spoons of this. You do want to let it cool if you're going to store it. Okay, and then I'm going to have a little bit of yogurt, because yogurt and granola go so well together. There, let's just do that. Oh my goodness. I love the tasting part of this. This is breakfast for me. I love having this every morning. I wonder, what do you have for breakfast? And have you ever made your own granola? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.